Hey guys, it's that time of the year, setting up the Halloween decorations, and I noticed that my animatronic isn't moving, my spirit animatronic, and I just want to make a quick video to show you what I did to fix it. I think this is kind of a general rule of thumb for all of the spirit animatronics if they have the same mechanics, but I'll show you real quick what I did. So this is the one I have from Spirit, and he moves back to back, and I think he is the same as the Crouchy. I think that's the one I'm thinking of. He's the same build, it's just a different costume basically. So if you have the clown that moves back and forth and his arms move, it's going to be the same as this one. But basically, if I plug him in right now, he talks, but he won't actually engage. You can hear the motor. You can hear the motor just spinning. So let me see if I can. I'm trying to trigger him with the sensor. Come on, buddy. Anyway, you can hear the motor spin. He's supposed to be moving back and forth. So what I found is this one. Some of them are on top, some of them are on bottom. But
you little monsters have been carving up my friend.
So what you're gonna want to look for on the bottom is this cap, and he's right under his abdomen area, and this little cap was just covered here with 2 screws. But there's these 2 little pulleys. Basically, this big pulley actuates all the gears inside the box here, which makes him move. The little one, it's just, you know, a little pulley, and it's attached by this little elastic O-ring. You could probably get these in like a kit at AutoZone, O-ring kit. I actually have one in my garage that may work for this, but it's just a regular O-ring. In my case, the O-ring was just sitting in the bottom of this cap and it came off. So some of yours might wear out. This one's only a year old, so I don't think it's not worn. It just popped off. I had this since last Halloween. But basically, I'm just gonna get in here and put the O-ring back on like so, and then I'll plug him back in and see if, watch how movement. Here he goes.
You little monsters have been carving up my friends for years. Now it's my turn to make a jack-o'-lantern from your head.
So you can see it spinning in there.
Oh, you'll make excellent fertilizer for next year's crop.
So yeah, that's a quick fix that I was able to find out for this guy. Again, I'm sure a lot of the Spirit animatronics have it, that same method, but just take this little cap off, 2 screws, get a new O-ring if yours is worn out, or put yours back on like I did. Till next time, guys, happy Halloween.